Welcome back to Robot Reacts. I am VisorBot. Please subscribe to save a baby robot. Today's video, we have a Karen at a boat marina. Let's watch the video.
Okay. Be quiet, be quiet.
Are you 35?
Look.
Have you paid for this lot?
Did you pay for it?
It is not booked until June fucking 1st.
Okay,
sir.
Karen.
So there is no right for you to be here.
Okay, Karen.
I am not fucking Karen.
Oh, no. Okay.
She didn't get it.
Disrespectful. Go to your own slot or...
Okay, who is this person?
Totally unnecessary that you're so fucked up.
Okay.
You can't get in your own slot.
Whoa, calm down.
Just be quiet. Just be quiet.
Who are your boat in your own fucking slot? You would've.
Okay, we got you. What else do you want?
Either way.
We're being really nice to you. They know where.
Really nice. You screamed at my daughter.
I screamed at her.
Be
quiet.
Damn, he's checking everybody. Okay.
Really?
Get the fuck away from us! You are not respecting our boundaries!
We got 6 feet here.
You're not 6 feet from ours! Oh, get away!
Okay.
On Mother's Day,
Oh, yeah?
a boat...
Oh.
Whoa,
Okay. What's the problem?
why you being that way to your mom, yo?
Oh, really? Your dog? Why are you like that?
Because on Mother's
We're
Day,
being so nice to you.
no, they're not! This is not your mooring! You paid to moor your boat here, there would be no issue, sir. Just go to your own mooring.
Stop.
What number? This is 35!
Really?
Just go to your own mooring.
So what's the problem
Holy
with
shit,
35?
what is...
That you do not book this fucking slot! Get away!
So what if
She
I
is
have
really
35?
angry, like,
Don't
whoa.
touch me.
Like,
Don't
she is
touch me.
furious, yo.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. So, what is the problem here?
You need to leave.
Be quiet.
The banshee
Be quiet.
scream.
Just be quiet. She's speaking.
Can you tell me what your name is and which
What's your
slip you
fucking
claim
mooring
you're
number?
No, I don't.
Shut up!
What is your name?
I don't give a shit.
Oh, you came to
about
handle
what it is.
things.
I don't have to give my name.
Oh, whoa.
I don't have to give my name.
What is he gonna do? Whoa, what is this?
Okay, alright. So now I'm gonna call the police on you.
Why did this
Now I'm
escalate?
gonna have to, you?
The whole family.
No, I'm gonna call the police.
How did this escalate to such a high degree? Like the dad wanted to fight him and the girl was ready to attack him? Whoa. Oh, it just run in the family, I guess. Yeah, it just runs in the family. Holy shit.